Hi, my name is Abhishek Bali and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Zigram. At Zigram, we are a RegTech company focused on anti-money laundering, financial crimes compliance, and emerging risk areas. And we are one of the few companies globally which has a complete RegTech stack. As part of this RegTech stack, we have a mix of data, applications, and services that allow organizations of varied types and varied use cases to go out and solve their risk requirements. We are one of the few companies globally that have grown to be this size, over 520 full-time employees spread across the country, serving global organizations, global clients, and global use cases sitting out of India. We are very excited to be here at the Bharat Fintech Summit. We are very excited about being partners, and we are very excited about the fact that we are the only RegTech partner, regulatory technology partner for the summit. As a part of the summit, what we want to do is to be able to get a lot of exposure, look at our clients, look at users, look at stakeholders, and look at more interesting conversations that we can have throughout the event. We look forward to meeting all of you. We look forward to meeting some amazing people, and we look forward to having an amazing time here. Thanks.